Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are seeing a messages like this from Snapchat, it means there have been several unsuccessful attempts to log into your account or some activity that seems suspicious to their security systems. So, in order to fix this, all you have to do is go to the settings app in your iPhone, and inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on the general, and in general tap on the iPhone storage, and in iPhone storage look for the Snapchat app from the listed installed app, and from there tap on the offload app and reinstall your Snapchat app. So basically guys, offloading an app on iOS means removing the app from a device while retaining its data and settings. So this can be useful if you want to free up some storage, or you can simply do it for some updates and for some bugs to be fixed. So after this, simply go to the App Store, and inside the App Store search for this Snapchat option available there, and make sure that you have the up-to-date version of its Snapchat installed in your iPhone device. So if there is any um, update option available in blue highlights, then simply tap on it and update your Snapchat. So that is it guys. By following these steps, you can promptly be help or secure your Snapchat account and protect your personal information from unauthorized access or misuse. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.